Pacific Palisades Fire still ongoing. I've been very curious why no one is talking about the origins of this fire. And I decided to do some reverse engineering and look up some information to try to locate the origin. So this picture was taken from a satellite about 15 minutes after the fire started. I want to draw your attention to this area. This is the source here, just in case you're curious. Here's another image of the heat, and then this is the satellite. But this is the area we're going to be looking at. I'm going to move over to this video, which was taken that you'll hear at the top of Enchanted Way. And please pay special attention to this roof right here. Whoever took this video, I hope you're okay. It was posted probably not even 15, 20 minutes after this fire started, around 10:30 on Tuesday, January 7th. So I wanted to find this house, and I was able to locate it on Google Earth. 909 Enchanted Way. Kind of unique looking roof is very apparent right here. So this gentleman was in his backyard looking to the north. And just so we're very clear, you can see it down here. You can see this roof right here, currently pointing south. So there's already smoke and a large fire to his north. And then he mentions Lockman in the video. Lockman, that White House in the distance. You can see our vantage point is down here. He started looking south in the beginning of the video and turned around and started looking to the north and northeast. I'm going to zoom out further. This is Lockman Way over here. And this is that White House that you can see in the video. So far the information is pointing to the fire further up the mountain, which has been verified by different reports. Move up over here to the next area of interest. This is that White House we can see in the video here. And our next video, this is the most interesting and probably the earliest video we have of the actual fire. This guy named Benji Oren. I want you to pay special attention to this first video. I'm not going to play it, but I'm going to point out this rock on the left and these two rocks right here. This is Skull Rock. And this guy Benny and a couple friends were hiking where I believe was Temescal Canyon Trail. Right here. Right in the middle of your screen, and you can see these two rocks right here and the third rock on the left. Very clearly distinguishable landmarks right here in that video. So now Skull Rock is right on the bottom left of the video, and we can tell very easily that the fire is above Skull Rock. So we know the origin of the fire was somewhere in this region on Temescal Canyon Trail. I'm going to switch to Google Maps. North is a little bit to the upper right, looking to the northwest. This is a neighborhood called The Summit over here on the left. And on Google Maps, you can see Skull Rock right here. And then this neighborhood right here. It's interesting to point out here that out of all these places I can drop Google Street View, this entire section is not available. This whole trail is available, but not this section where the fire started. Just an observation. I don't know what that means, but there's a couple dots you can drop in. But this is where the fire started. And it's probably safe to say whoever started this fire came in one of two ways, either through this entrance up here of Temescal Trail or Temescal Ridge Trail, there are no power lines. There are 0 power lines. This is a rugged, very hard to reach place for any early first responders. And the wind was blowing from the north and the north-northeast, as you can tell by this satellite picture, almost coming directly from the north. So just wanted to make this video to point out the origin here and the suspicious nature of where it started. Started in one of the worst places and probably one of the worst possible times this could have started. And I don't think that's a coincidence. And it started about 10:30, maybe a few minutes before 10:30 on Tuesday, January 7th. This wind storm was well forecasted. Even the Los Angeles Fire Department posted this on their site, a day before, meaning red flag alerts were already literally just posted 2 hours before this fire started. So you can draw your own conclusions from the information I'm presenting, but if I'm an investigator looking at how this was caused, I would have to focus on this area. I don't know what's left up here. Probably not a lot, but there's video somewhere of somebody exiting this region, and I hope we can find it. I hope this video is helpful.